Alright, so welcome once again to Pennsylvania. And today, let's say November 14th, I think, is Saturday. We're back up in the Delaware water gap up here in northeastern Pennsylvania. We're gonna try and hit a number of places here today. The first place is Raymondskill Falls, which is supposed to be the tallest waterfall in Pennsylvania. I think there's 3 different tiers to it, so that's what makes it the tallest. Whew. But we'll see. I do hear water. It has been dry this fall, but we got some rain earlier this week, so I think we'll see some water coming down this waterfall. I do hear it. Not too many people here. I haven't encountered anybody on the trail. Parking lot's a little full, at least one of them. But I know there's a waterfall on the other side of the road too, smaller one. But we're gonna check out this one, Raymondskill Falls. Haven't been up here in the water gap for over a year, I think. Let's check this place out. Bit chilly out here. Yeah, I can definitely hear water flowing. Got the gorge down below. Let's just walk over here, see if we can see anything. Oh, I definitely hear water. Oh, you can kind of see it a little bit through the trees down there. So let's get back to the trail. Love my waterfalls. So this is be the tallest one in PA. I'm not sure if you can see the whole waterfall at once, or if it's in 3 different tiers. This does look pretty cool down here. Wow. I mean, there's one little section over there. And right here is a big drop off. We'll look at that in a moment. Wow. That's a really neat scene there. Down here's the one major drop-off. You can see the trail continues on down there with all those little boardwalks. It's kind of like Bushkill Falls. Alright, so we're going to head on down the other trail. This is just one little viewing area. The trail continues on down. We'll get some better views of this larger fall here. And I'm assuming some more as well. So like I said, it's in like 3 different tiers. Pretty awesome place so far. And not a long hike at all to get here. Oh, this is gonna be an awesome view down here, actually. Yeah, check that out. There's where we were earlier. I guess this is the second drop off over here. We got a little one over there. Back down is where we were at the viewing platform. We're gonna continue on this trail. I think there's another little trail that we can take yet. We'll see. So there was another trail back there, but everything is fenced off. You can't access that trail. It's kind of a shame. It's a neat area, but you kind of have limited trail system here, to be honest. I feel like they could do a whole lot more with this spot. You know, it doesn't feel like the tallest waterfall in Pennsylvania, actually. I think they claim it to be because, like I say, there's 3 tiers to it, which we didn't really see all 3 of them either. Still a cool spot. I know nearby is Bushkill Falls, which is a really cool waterfall. Like it's a single, like almost like 100-foot drop. That one's impressive. A lot more impressive than the one here. Not that this one isn't worth a visit. You know, it's an easy like quarter-mile hike round trip to get there. Short little video though, but kind of want to stop in and see it. I know just across the way is another waterfall called Hackers Falls. Since we're here and since this was so short, I might go check that one out as well. I wasn't planning to, but might be worth it. I'm hoping to get to Dingman's Falls as well, but the road up to that one looked closed, so maybe we should just go check out the other one that's over here. Be a little bit of a hike, but that's what we're here to do. All right. Anyway, thanks for coming along on this short little trip here. Raymondskill Falls, kind of in the northern part of the Delaware Water Gap. Worth a visit though. All right.